In this video today, we will see how to create a group in Gmail and what will be the use of that group. So for that one, I'm going to open this website gmail.com and then let me select my email and then let me put the password and then next. So after that, what I will do, I will again open this website contacts.google.com, and here what I will do is I will create a group for some of the contact. Now let me go down and let me select those contacts for which I want to create a group. Now when you are creating a group for the contact, make sure that those contacts, they have email address saved. If you group contacts without an email address, then you can't use that group. So I have selected two of the contact and then I will click on this option, manage label, and select this option, create label. So I will just write a name for the label, family, and then save. So what I have done is I have grouped these two contacts under family. So once I have done this one, then let me show you what will be the use of this group. So I will go to this Gmail account, compose, and suppose if I have to send the same email to more than one person, then in that case what you can do is you can create a group. After that, what you do, you have to just write the name of the label or the group. So if I write the name of the group, then it will show you all of the contacts that are present under the group. After that, just you can type subject, compose a message, and then send. So once you do it, this same message will go to all of the contacts that are present in the group.